Ani eyanokre wapomuden hu hia enu nti na hu ahohia sa wobehwe wo hu so yie wo brano ne mra mu odin ameto wo mpofri. Now permit me to introduce you to Green Select Glucometer. Green Select Glucometer from Costless Ventures. Sa fidie kito ya etimi mpo ehwe wo botomi eboa ma wo hu wo sugar level abribia. Wona wo diabetes ana yare ahodo a emma wo sugar level esote wo brano no. Sa fidie be bo nka ye baby bia wo bia no wada wo so akohu doctor ntem na wo mo dry betimi ma blood sugar no aye pepe. With Green Select Blood Glucose Monitoring System, you get your test results in 5 seconds. Annual 5 seconds pair now results are ready. And it's suitable for persons of all age. Nane boasodian, at the form of Pabudin Huyao, Sao Pebako, and Sao Peso Tukoton. Call Costless Ventures now on 0205 915 315. Or fry a betcha we are officer Ben Wagana Fine Baby, and only one Dija. Green Select Glucometer, the best. This advert has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
If I see a run comes of the shutter movement, maybe the association account, media account. Charles Nyama Mensa, the manager, artist manager, Freddie Boo God, first name Boo Dog, as you see, a Boo God. Onya issues ka krebi. Ewo United Showbiz na komodi di ni mo kan sembi ama ene bebi akoko pii no eni nyan kakra we ni ensem bebre ni bebo ho enkomo ewo hase na we air Flex Speaks medin an MC Berryman am abo afo atembi amobo ame medumedi mede prem chocho Richie the finest boy Flex currency the guitar rasta Lapigi intim chemo and afezo na Reagan it's na baby so share hobi na enyina eduma ye de brem jojo brasame
big man
bibia bokode
ekoyi
asebe ni agensu me ninje kakra
adentia den ekoso
with the issue ekoso no Mr. Siama my friend Mr. Siama one of the super respected gurus
hard working artist managers we have in the system
me academy crank me as artist manager no Vodafone Ghana Music artist manager so
amunye emri bi na man from po push say amunye the best friend is saying produce the best record label and BB for the best record label category and the crown man artist manager there
about the criticism about say Chaskele in your ding hardcore so I can't play there too much Bugod one of the beautiful ladies from the industry Nana Brown or show be a friend United Showbiz or UTV every Saturday be on the program now or invite Bulldog any other if you ask us nigga yanko Bulldog na inkomodi die mu no bu God e can say be Emma if you Nana Brown e can say on retracting the words but then before that you remember Richie about the video now or cancer asem no na die nti or cancer asem no ye hwe no wi a ye be back dey wi ani asaso ahwe die nti a Nana Brown e can say on retracting wi a na to mejumo die so.
And Bulldog, before you go, I want you to retract what's MBA.
That's exactly what I'm about to say, sir. You see, you can't assemble, you can't assemble, your interjection, and then there is no way I have anything personal against the president. I am a citizen. So, me can't say me kwaku kunu, and I say me I have not threatened him. I'm saying, sir, he should pay the customers because onunimre and the customers near them omuluzi ne omusika. That's what I was trying to say.
All right, and Bulldog, before you go, I want you to retract what's MBA and Komodia.
That's exactly what I'm about to say, sir. You see, you can't assemble, you can't assemble, your interjection, and then there is no way I have anything personal against the president. I am a citizen. So, me can't say me kwaku kunu, and I say me I have not threatened him. I'm saying, sir, he should pay the customers because onunimre and the customers near them omuluzi ne omusika. That's what I was trying to say.
All right, I got you.
Brasame, me dem say asem we what dey ekoso Emma
yes
about KDN na ifo enyim now come dem say yen be e wo in space here we entertainment space here we it's different from the politics. Now, asem okai me mo kakra na menti ase bebre say a whole government a bit dina so na ya twen abranti na ye dina ba for one or two interrogations and now questions ni me ade bi what will prompt the government to just come into this our entertainment space to grab him and then try to question him on whatever he said.
Very me that say. We are about because some of us Ebra and some started course so I who say Boo God Yatimi a man invitation of nine himself just as any certain works say or certain be na okasem bi na bia one can ye mpanifo timi for so asema okan ye one can ye e bia court na kotwesan and e bi obedwa ka so ba bia okan no kogina ho na ye apology and na retract it na ye fancy nisi say you nuanom La Michael obadwuma nche but to share the number of times why retraction on so many platforms and some bia kan name and the shows no bia so okay na so twe onya no ye say oba be retracting oftentimes na so twe onya no say oh assembly man can ye say na also me can say na also me can. Some of us when we heard that and then they buy it so you're inviting it. The next thing is if you are there, be was a bulldog at on the social media pages. If there were a video say assemble kind, it was rather unfortunate one kind year or patch on as but following it up, a bit time I can say still and yet too clear what really is happening to him. I can tell you said before I bust the mini bulldog at
Okay.
Yes, that one can confirm to you. He's in high spirits. He's okay. But time I Kasai, which was let me be very sure of the time I Mene Bulldog Kasai and Sana made bus studio. Let me get the name. Let me get Mene Kasai or William Shatter 420.
Okay.
420.
Sure.
And I'm Mene Kasai. I'll catch him as of 420 and then Kasai. No, say Omako quarter me a money bail. But once again, I'm going to clearance 1 or 2 be document 1 or 2 be ansana what me happy. And they say I recording there, I cannot be sure say we peer now peer. But then my problem, my fear, say Ebra assembly see what United Showbiz no. A fear Schwarzenegger start here. Hey, what threatening president no. I thought say on the day sign the permit in background politically.
Yeah.
You know say a fear Schwarzenegger leaning towards the NDC and MPP rather and a Bulldog so leaning towards the NDC.
Yeah.
Some of us we thought it was going to end there. We thought say because say when it comes to discussion platforms tension is to me rising and my mom for cancer a bit to me maybe. So it wasn't the first time. Bulldog go outside TN was so many platforms. Me do platform be no hit out of two blow out of two blow. Me wow me pan and me na me Bulldog was showbiz or ETV. Talk showbiz near and you read from I think 10 to 11 or something. Yes, near 10 to 11. So I showed the other man for a sham see a Bulldog bebo Samuel because that was how it was. Minute to a kiki by a point we will be laughing. Just as director the photo be to explain it is here. No, shade on any way. And you're near fierce as they can now almost corner any kissing. And Fiano and now Odi him. And then that way. But I realized that political people, some negative interest in our showbiz. And it was showbiz, they are Kasa Amanan Katia. Because one day, yet some place to the high showbiz, best sorry that's to the food now, because you say be aware Kasi and aware Kasa. If the showbiz for young, sorry, and you know one Kasa. Because almost it is uncommon, I think, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, when you go online, there were so many stories out there. NPP, political party, among groups are now more contest nibi. And the press release that to said we boycott United Showbiz, we boycott. In fact, when I saw that story, I went back. I'm gonna say, see, the baby do no. Say on entertainment show, ye di and common. Maybe assembly ban tensions are fled. No be making statement be a political union be and a political group be. I press statement said they will boycott the show. They will boycott the show on what level? Show now they know their target is not you the political party. They know their target is for those who also like show business. It didn't draw no part. Stations need the air politics no. Maybe so yes showbiz. Anya, I have that crown. Say yen ye status at the end of Kromua. And the other na because I'm not sure say that TV your best sorry na entertainment. no mo so yam politics no bi akokasa tia Shatawale a obi be so aka say there because of ade a waka Shatawale ti ye ba be you say no, it is you and Shatawale. Now, do you know when you say mobile boycott United Showbiz? Do you know what it means? It means a program, a station here on programs manager or a no mercy for the cripple for now. Or bet me you present and you point one.
Yeah.
And that's the whole program, we can suspend the whole program. And if they take the presenter out or if they suspend the program, who the name may see? It means livelihood will be lost. Because presenter, the makeup artist, obi apomatare mano omo mo bra mu nuane kra mo di omo bo mu din say so and so and the brand dia name ye di no omo nya they are going to lose their livelihood all because of a certain political interest, all because of a certain political interest. Enti what your statement na they are talking and our friends say they all pay and our can, but you are also destroying someone's livelihood. Some of us, we think that because of some political groups, no, started this letters, they thing, we boycott United Showbiz, you do this, you do this. Hey, they are in the mind, some could do contest me. Hey, they are in the mind, some could do contest me. Because as much as no, some of us thought so, it could just be a caution. Wabana ya man warning be said, okay, see I show kasa we men's good assembly aban assembly ya kan we aban assembly crowd court in the train ma court ne efa the judgment mbra and sana obi a waka and say we person better say we can be you any officer and patramate for pen paper so na chere say onye say bi na or the pen paper so no upon if you know better anything. But for us to keep him, I don't know if there is a murder case attached to this. I don't know if there is a treason case attached to this. I don't know.
No, but on offer now on the bonk, to make sure say this were the charges.
Oh, there be said at that time it will even be wrong for me to ask that. Our friend Tama William, SM road manager. Big up to you, William. On the phones now, the next side. About no cast then the interview and no do David. And your interview, but what I am looking for is Becky. And so to me, PR, that is what we are looking for. PR, then any other thing we can talk about. But as I'm talking to me, your interview is not my friend. And now, or tell you, or find your baby to the PR and come baby or have and we left it there. Me, my interest is the politicians, they are to do another thing for us in the showbiz space. If they cannot do it for us, they should not bring their troubles. Because you say apart from election year, Obenia, Samini Muni or I can even tell you say be a xenophobia of Samini delay during the election time. Every credit from guys on fire. And I a base no friend because they've moved on. That's how the game is. They move on to the next thing. They are going to look at it. But so almost starting starting and nosy into our statement on what we are saying on radio and on TV there. That is not to say I'm encouraging people to speak anyhow. No. That is not to say that.
But when you wake up on the second man or castle on retracting question, he got a time to explain further what he meant.
Exactly. But still, like I'm saying, because of say obi anya political interest was community. So my simple message as we wrap up is saying, to those in politics, yes, entertainment, showbiz, MPP near this near encounter. To say that be a tihani a kind showbiz entertainment na and this name be famuna obi kandia. Only pako only any prejudiced mind. Say only pako can year Montreal, any politician non tiasi. But set with interest, beba, namu best start a release statement, namu be pilot pressure elsewhere. Because when it says some Monday, not a month for starting air trending, hashtag Punish Bulldog.
Nice.
Yes, Punish Bulldog trending almost more than 12 hours. I'm telling you this. Maybe me sorry, I'm a Pamsan check Twitter trend. That's not the number one. It's no more we see very late afternoon. And sana SSA. If it is not a direct attack or an attempt from some political quarters to push this, what else would that be? And my plea is this: yes, realm. we are doing our showbiz. We know they also have their political interest to push or to protect. They should look on, protect their political interests. Thank you, boss.
I'm just hoping and waiting, say that Don Juan himself and so be now. It's also no to all the entertainment gurus. Yes, we want entertainment. Yes, you share who see the young who can ever fast war. Your name for we higher politicians. Yes, you know ability. We and said we can was many and MC Berima. Richard the finest boy flex, currency delegator Rasta, Lapi G, Nana Regan, in Tim Chemu, and our face to Tina Baby. I'm more on the Matthew Hot, I promise me so them beko. We Jemu to den. They do one area, and found Robert. Alright, so you're the basic here. We any be brain, we're going to check up on www.samiflextv.com for more juicy stories over there. But you want to stay safe, be good.